It's Bacto Light, and it is right at the #1 seller that we have as far as in terms of the Bacto line. And the name Light means that it is a lightweight product, because the majority of people who buy soils in an independent garden center are women. And a regular premium potting soil is heavy, and they don't want to handle a heavy bag. It's easy when they go to the store and someone puts it in their car, but it's harder for them to get it out. It's very good for hanging baskets. It's a very forgiving soil as well, because it holds moisture. Bacto is our flagship. And then we also have Garden Magic. Garden Magic is more of a entry level. It's for the people who are in a price point situation that they need to hit. And so we have the Garden Magic label. The main difference between the two is the Bacto Light has a synthetic fertilizer, where this has an organic fertilizer. This is OMRI certified, so we have to have a organic fertilizer in there. And basically it's sustained fertilizer, it's turkey litter. We come out of one bog in the state of Michigan, so we handle everything from start to finish. We don't have various bogs across different parts of the country. We come out of one bog, it is harvested by us, it's packaged by us, it's shipped by us. And it goes out to independent garden centers only. Okay? That's not the important thing to a consumer. The important thing to a consumer is that it is a consistent quality product time after time. So the bag that they buy in March, they come back in June, it's going to have the same consistency, it's going to be the same product. They're not going to have to change their watering system, their fertilizing system, or whatever. It's going to be the exact same product.